This process of Krishna consciousness is actually the process of making pure devotees. So when one stays in the movement, following the instructions of Srila Prabhupada, yes, eventually he'll become a pure devotee. Actually, at one time, Srila Prabhupada said that all the devotees of Iskcon are pure devotees. And devotees were surprised. And they questioned Srila Prabhupada, Prabhupada, everyone in Iskcon is pure devotees, even the new bhakta who joined us that day. Prabhupada said, yes, it's like green mango and ripe mango. The mango may be green, but if it stays in the tree, then in course of time it will become ripe. So somebody may be a new bhakta today, but if he stays in Iskcon practicing the process of Krishna consciousness, in due course of time he would become a pure devotee. So Iskcon is the factory for manufacturing pure devotees.